Borrowing money from the Albert app is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Albert lets you borrow up to $250. There are no credit checks for Albert Instant Cash advances. This amount depends on a variety of factors, including how much money you make. Albert states on the app's website that it primarily looks to find your income, which is directly deposited into your connected bank account. Your connected bank account has been open for at least 2 months and has a balance greater than so. You've received consistent income in the past 2 months from the same employer. Your recent paycheck was received on time and has funds still available 24 hours after your payday. You can borrow up to 3 Albert cash advances per pay period, though you must repay your outstanding loan before receiving another.